Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you how to pack a backpack for 4 days. This packing video is a little bit different from the other packing videos for a couple of reasons. One is that we will be driving for this trip, so there's no need to pack airport friendly or plane friendly. It's all just going in the car. I think one misperception that people have whenever packing and they're not getting on a plane is to overpack. I think it happens constantly. You're like, well, I can fit this in the car, and I can fit this in the car, and I can fit this. And you have all of this stuff to unload, and whoever you're with has to help you, and maybe they brought too much, and then it's this big cycle, and then whenever you get there, you have all the stuff that you don't need that you brought anyway, and you carried it for absolutely no reason, and that's the worst. So I'm here to make you think about what you need to pack. One tip that Colin and I heard a while back is take what you need, put it all in a bag, then take half of it away, then take half of that away. If you're like me, as you can tell probably from most of my videos, I wear a lot of black and a lot of jean. Those are my favorite things in the world. I didn't get to wear jeans for 20 years of my life, and now I basically live in them because who doesn't love a good pair of jeans? Take the things that you wear all the time, put them in the bag. Wear those. If you don't wear it at home, you're not gonna wear it on vacation. Unless it's like a cruise and you're gonna wear your fancy ball gown for the night, in which case that's gonna be a great night and you're gonna remember it forever. So bring those things, those special occasion things, if you know that that's something that you're going to do. If not, bring things that you wear all the time, because that is what you live your life in. That's what you're most comfortable in. That's what you're going to feel the most confident in. Therefore, that's what you're going to look the best in. I have packed this tiny backpack. That's what I'm gonna bring on vacation, and I'm really excited to show you because I think I packed pretty well. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that this inspired you for your next long weekend getaway to bring little, but also bring much. Much quality is what we want. We want good quality things that we're gonna enjoy wearing, and that it's not gonna be a problem to pack and to get dressed while on vacation. Because once you get to your destination, you don't wanna waste time figuring out what to wear. You wanna get dressed and go and do and enjoy. If you have questions or you have tips or anything like that for packing or travel, put them in the comments. We read all the comments and we get really excited whenever we get one. So make sure you put it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, because this video, this packing video that we made, has a trip coming after it that we took that I brought all this stuff on. So keep an eye out for that video that will be coming soon. It's actually going to be broken down into 2 parts. So it'll be a double video, if you will. Anyway, ring the bell for notifications, subscribe, like this video, comment if you have anything to say, and yeah, thanks for watching. So, bye!